Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your budget with Personal Capital, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Personal Capital website. Create an account by clicking on Sign Up. Fill in your email address and create a password. Once registered, log in to your new account. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard that summarizes your financial status. Link your financial accounts by selecting Add Accounts. Choose the type of accounts you want to link, such as bank accounts or investments. Enter your login information for each account securely. Wait for Personal Capital to sync your financial data. Once linked, review the dashboard to understand your cash flow and net worth. Navigate to the budgeting tool in the menu. Set up your budget by entering your estimated monthly income. Categorize your expenses by creating different expense categories. Input your average monthly spending for each category. Review the suggested budgets based on your spending habits. Adjust your budget categories as needed to reflect your financial goals. Next, explore the investment section for portfolio analysis. Check the Investment Checkup tool to see if you're on track with your goals. Make necessary adjustments to your investment strategy based on the analysis. Regularly monitor your progress in the cash flow section. Set financial goals by clicking on the Retirement Planning tool. Enter your retirement age and desired retirement income. Use the projections provided to tweak your savings plan. Review your spending regularly to maintain your budget. Utilize alerts and notifications to stay on top of your financial health. Finally, familiarize yourself with the mobile app for on-the-go access. Make it a habit to review your financial status weekly. Continuously adjust your budget and savings goals as your needs change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.